Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video we're going to show you how to replace the Serpentine belt on a Dodge Caliber. The 2.0 engine, it's the same for the Compass, I think the 2.0 and the Patriot 2.0. So we have the engine out, we're doing an engine replacement here. We have a few videos on our channel about that Dodge. If you want, feel free to check the playlist out. So that way you can see better how we're going to install the belt. It needs to go on the power steering pump first, then from the power steering pump to that pulley right here. Then after that it needs to go to the alternator, and from the alternator to the AC compressor, the crankshaft, and then from the crankshaft it goes to that pulley right there one more time, and you go to the water pump. And now what you need is a 16mm wrench right here, and this is the tensioner pulley, and you need to go counterclockwise to the left to get the belt loose, and when you get it loose you'll be able to put it on the pulley. Okay, like that. And you need to make sure that the belt lines up really good. It goes in all of the grooves, and the alignment is perfect, because right here right now, as you can see, it moved, and if you start the vehicle the belt will come off. So now you need to make it loose and just make sure that it goes there perfect. Check all the pulleys after you release the tensioner, that it's lining up, everything's lining up good, and that's how you install the Serpentine belt. If you need to remove it, you just go to the left and pull it out. If you have any questions, let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.